Did you know that a simple kitchen ingredient could be the secret to stopping hair loss and promoting thick, healthy hair growth? Before we explore this natural remedy, drop a comment below and tell me what country you're watching from. Strong, thick hair is more than just a beauty asset. It's a clear indicator of your overall health. When hair becomes thin, brittle, or starts falling out excessively, it often signals that something needs attention in your body's nutritional balance or scalp health. Today, we're diving deep into one of nature's most powerful hair remedies that's been hiding in your kitchen all along, the humble onion. The science behind onion juice and hair health. Onions aren't just for cooking. These pungent vegetables contain powerful compounds that can transform your hair from weak and thinning to strong and vibrant. But what makes onion juice so effective for hair growth? The secret lies in its rich sulfur content. When a health practitioner analyzed onions for their therapeutic properties, they discovered that onions are packed with sulfur compounds. This sulfur plays a crucial role in your body's ability to produce collagen, a protein that's essential for healthy skin and hair. Collagen production directly supports the health of skin cells on your scalp, creating an optimal environment for hair follicles to thrive. But sulfur isn't the only beneficial component in onion juice. Research has shown that onions contain a powerful antioxidant enzyme called catalase. This enzyme is a game changer for hair health. Catalase works by nourishing hair follicles from the root level, providing them with the nutrients they need to produce strong, healthy hair strands. When follicles are well nourished, they can function optimally, leading to improved hair growth rates and reduced hair fall. Additionally, onion juice has natural antimicrobial properties. These properties help prevent scalp infections and combat dandruff, two common issues that can interfere with healthy hair growth. A clean, infection-free scalp is the foundation for beautiful hair. How to prepare and apply onion juice. The process of using onion juice for hair growth is surprisingly simple, and you can do it right at home with minimal equipment. Here's the step-by-step method that wellness experts recommend. Start by selecting a fresh onion. Peel away the outer layers and chop the onion into small pieces. The smaller the pieces, the easier they'll be to blend. Place these chopped pieces into a blender and blend until you have a smooth consistency. You'll notice the mixture becomes quite liquid with some pulp remaining. Next, take a clean cotton cloth and place it over a bowl. Pour the blended onion mixture onto the cloth and squeeze firmly to extract all the juice. The cloth will filter out the pulp, leaving you with pure onion juice. This juice is what you'll apply to your scalp. Now comes the application process. You can apply the onion juice using your fingertips or a cotton pad, whichever feels more comfortable. Section your hair so you can reach all areas of your scalp. Apply the juice directly to your scalp, not just your hair strands. Massage it gently into your scalp using circular motions. This massage not only helps the juice penetrate better, but also stimulates blood circulation to your hair follicles. Once you've covered your entire scalp, let the onion juice sit for 30 to 40 minutes. This gives the beneficial compounds time to be absorbed by your scalp and hair follicles. After the waiting period, rinse your hair thoroughly with a mild shampoo. You may need to shampoo twice to completely remove the onion smell. If you're seeing this video helpful so far, consider subscribing to Vigorphil for more natural health remedies that actually work. Treatment frequency and best practices. For optimal results, health practitioners recommend using onion juice 3 to 4 times per week. Consistency is key when using natural remedies. However, there's one crucial rule you must follow. Always prepare fresh onion juice for each application. Never store onion juice for later use, as it loses its potency and can develop bacteria. When selecting onions, red onions are the superior choice. Studies have shown that red onions contain higher concentrations of sulfur compared to white or yellow varieties. They also have enhanced antibacterial and antifungal properties, making them more effective at preventing scalp infections and promoting hair health. If you regularly oil your hair before shampooing, you can enhance the benefits of onion juice by combining it with carrier oils. Mix onion juice with castor oil or coconut oil before application. Both of these oils have their own hair strengthening properties. Castor oil is known for promoting hair thickness, while coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft to provide deep conditioning. Important safety precautions. Before applying onion juice to your entire scalp, wellness experts strongly recommend performing a patch test. This simple test can save you from potential allergic reactions. Apply a small amount of onion juice to the inner wrist or behind your ear. Leave it on for 1 hour and observe the area. If you notice any redness, itching, swelling, or irritation, do not use onion juice on your scalp. Certain individuals should avoid using onion juice as a hair treatment. If you have known allergies to onions or related vegetables in the allium family, skip this remedy entirely. People suffering from psoriasis or eczema should also avoid onion juice applications, as the sulfur compounds can aggravate these skin conditions and cause flare-ups. Beyond onion juice, holistic hair care strategies. While onion juice is a powerful natural remedy, it works best when combined with other healthy hair practices. Hair health isn't just about external treatments, it's a reflection of your overall wellness and lifestyle choices. First, focus on your diet. Your hair is made of protein, so adequate protein intake is essential. Include plenty of plant-based proteins like lentils, beans, quinoa, and nuts in your meals. Greek yogurt is an excellent option for supporting hair health from the inside out. Don't forget foods rich in vitamins A, C, E, and biotin. These nutrients are crucial for hair growth and strength. Regular scalp massage improves blood circulation to hair follicles even when you're not applying any treatment. Spend 5 to 10 minutes each day massaging your scalp with your fingertips. This simple practice can significantly improve hair growth over time. Avoid excessive use of harsh chemical treatments on your hair. Hair dyes, bleaching agents, and chemical straighteners can damage the hair shaft and weaken your hair structure. Similarly, limit your use of heat styling instruments like flat irons, curling wands, and blow dryers. When you must use heat, always apply a protective product first and use the lowest effective temperature setting. Sleep quality directly impacts your hair health. During deep sleep, your body repairs and regenerates cells, including those in your hair follicles. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Consider using a silk or satin pillowcase, which creates less friction on your hair compared to cotton, reducing breakage. Physical exercise might seem unrelated to hair health, but it plays a significant role. Exercise improves circulation throughout your entire body, including your scalp. Better circulation means more nutrients and oxygen reach your hair follicles. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Make sure to subscribe to Vigorphil so you never miss our natural health discoveries that can transform your wellness journey. Self-care journey. What results can you expect? Natural remedies like onion juice require patience and consistency. Unlike chemical treatments that may show quick but temporary results, natural approaches work with your body's own healing mechanisms. Most people who use onion juice regularly begin noticing reduced hair fall within 3 to 4 weeks. After 2 to 3 months of consistent use, many report seeing new hair growth in areas that had become thin. Your hair will gradually become stronger, shinier, and more resilient. Dandruff issues often improve significantly within the first month of treatment. The scalp becomes healthier, creating an optimal environment for sustained hair growth. The simple onion holds remarkable potential for transforming your hair health. Its sulfur-rich composition boosts collagen production, its catalase content nourishes follicles, and its antimicrobial properties protect your scalp. By applying fresh onion juice 3 to 4 times weekly, combined with a balanced diet, regular scalp massage, and healthy lifestyle choices, you can achieve the strong, thick, dandruff-free hair you desire. If this video helped you discover a natural solution for hair health, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Vigorphil for more evidence-based natural health wisdom. Which aspect of hair care are you most excited to improve? Let me know in the comments below.